How to Make Money Online with Proven Strategies from Best-Selling Books. The Automatic Millionaire, a Powerful One-Step Plan to Live and Finish Rich by David Bach. David Bach is a best-selling author and financial expert who has helped millions of people achieve financial freedom and independence. He started his career as a financial advisor and quickly realized that most people struggle with managing their money and achieving their financial goals. He decided to write The Automatic Millionaire to help people overcome these struggles and achieve financial success. Part 1. Money Management. Most people struggle with managing their money and achieving their financial goals because they don't have a plan, don't start early enough, or don't make saving and investing a habit. In this part, you will learn the following. How small and consistent actions can lead to big financial results over time. Strategies and examples of how to set specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound, smart financial goals, and how to create a plan to achieve them. How to automate your savings and investments. This way you don't have to worry about remembering to save or invest every month. How to set up automatic deductions from your paycheck or bank account, and to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Part 2. Specific actions that can be taken to achieve financial success. In this section, you will learn the following. Practical advice on budgeting, saving, and investing, as well as tips for paying off debt and increasing income. How to create a budget that works for you. Tips for paying off debt, such as consolidating debt and creating a plan to pay off high-interest debt first. Strategies for increasing income, such as asking for a raise, negotiating a higher salary, or starting a side hustle. Part 3. Plan for becoming an automatic millionaire. In this part, you will learn the following. Steps that readers can take to put the concepts and strategies outlined in the book into practice. Case studies of real people who have achieved financial success using the principles outlined in the book. These case studies serve as inspiration and motivation for readers to take action and achieve financial success. It's important to note that making money online requires effort, dedication, and patience, but with the right knowledge and execution of these strategies, it's definitely possible to achieve financial success. Learn more strategies to make money online by checking out oursvideos.com Secrets by Russell Brunson or The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more strategies for making money online. Thank you for watching the video.